So, you're here because you want a 1-minute scalping strategy. Well, you just might be in luck because today I got for you a 1-minute scalping strategy that might help you become more profitable as a day trader. Welcome to Rebel Trading, where I will show you the tips and strategies to help you become more profitable. The strategy works for crypto, Forex, and stocks, but I'm going to be using it on the Euro-US dollar trading pair today. Considering this is a 1-minute scalping strategy, you need to mind the trend. So I would encourage you to go to the 15-minute, hourly, daily time frames to see where the direction the market is going. Also, considering this is a very small time frame, you want to mind liquidity and volume in whatever asset that you're trading. So we're going to indicators. The very first indicator that we're going to be using is the CCI, Commodity Channel Index. The second indicator that we'll be using is the moving average ribbon. The last indicator that we're going to be using for today's strategy is the ADX, Average Directional Index. Right, so we got our indicators pulled up. We're gonna go to settings on the CCI. We're gonna change the length to 100. Go down to the ADX, click on settings. We're gonna change the value of both of these to 9. Last, we're gonna go up to the MA ribbon, go to settings. We're gonna uncheck this. So we're gonna be using 3 moving averages. We're gonna change the value of all these to an EMA. The first EMA is gonna be 10. We're also gonna change the color to red. Second moving average is going to be 21, and we're going to change the color to green. The last one, we're going to change the value to 50. Actually, this one should be green. The 21 is going to be blue. All right, so now our chart should be set up and ready to go. Also, if you guys are liking this video so far, please be sure to smash that like button. It's really helping me grow here on YouTube. Also, I'm going to be hosting my free Telegram trading channel where I show you all the Forex trades that I make throughout the week as soon as I hit 1,000 subscribers. So for today's strategy, the very first thing that we're going to be looking for is for the EMA ribbon to be crossing. So for a long position, we want the red EMA to be on the very top and the green on the bottom. After this has occurred, we're going to check to see if the CCI is above the 0 line. And then we're going to use the ADX for confirmation. If it is above 20, we can take our long position. As for the stop loss, I recommend setting it a few points down below the swing low. And with the risk reward ratio of 1.5, you can be sure to have quick, profitable scalping entries for this strategy. Again, considering this is a 1-minute trading strategy, you want to get in and out of the trade as soon as possible. So as the trade goes through, I highly encourage you to move the stop loss up to the bottom green EMA. That way, if you have the price action wick down past the EMA, you can close out, and although it would be a losing trade, you can minimize the losses much higher. Risk management is a very crucial aspect, not only in trading, but for every scalping strategy. You can very quickly blow your account if you do not use proper risk management. As you can see, we have our first profitable trade. If you would like to hold the position further than the 1.5 risk reward ratio, you could also wait until the price action closes below the blue EMA. Again, this is increasing the risk using the strategy. So if you choose to do this, make sure that you move your stop loss up. That way, it is impossible for you at this point to lose the trade. All right, moving back a little bit, we can see that the price action, the EMAs did cross over. Red is on top and the green is on the bottom. However, we can see that price action blew way past it at this point. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for a pullback to the blue EMA. After this occurs, as soon as it touches the blue EMA, we're gonna wait for a green bar to close. As soon as this occurs, we can take a long position. Again, we're gonna make sure that the CCI is above 0 and the ADX has to be above 20, right? So we're gonna move the stop loss a few points down below the swing low. And you can see with the 1.5 risk reward ratio, the price action blew right past it. So again, if you wanna hold on to the trade a little bit longer, you can wait until the price action touches the blue EMA. So you can squeeze a little bit more profit out of this trade. But please, if you do this, move the stop loss up so that you do not lose the trade. So for the short positions, what we're going to be looking for is for the EMA to cross over. So the green ribbon needs to be on top and the red needs to be on bottom. After this, we're going to identify the CCI, which needs to be below 0. The ADX needs to be below the 20 level. So as you can see right here, it is at 18.9 as soon as this bar closes. So we can take our first short position. Set the stop loss a few points above the swing high. And with the 1.5 risk reward ratio, we have our first winning short trade. If we held on to part of the position and waited until it touched the blue EMA, you could have squeezed out a little bit additional profit from this short trade. Be cautious when using short positions and long positions interchangeably on the 1 minute scalping strategy. You typically want to go with the trend and identify which direction the trend is going, which is the main reason why I advocate looking at the higher time frames and getting a general understanding of which direction the market is going. Also keep in mind the trading and price volume, which whatever asset that you're trading. So if you're trading the Euro US dollar pair, you want to wait for the European or New York market open so that you can get better volume using this strategy. Always apply proper risk management when using a strategy like this or with any strategy that you use. It is crucial for you long-term to survive as a day trader. If you would like to increase your capital for your portfolio and you're considering taking a prop firm challenge, be sure to check out my video where I go through my trading challenge on my journey to get funded. I'll include the link to that video down below. Trade good, trade smart, and I will see you guys on the next video.